Alright, so look at your wind forecast for Monday. But winds about 40 to 45 kilometers per hour in the winds will be gusting up to 70 miles per hour in the afternoon. This could cause widespread power outages and damage to roof shingles and trees falling everywhere. We might be hearing a high wind warning for for 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. over the lake shore of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Make sure to watch out for flying debris and take extra caution when going out in this storm. Last time, in May 4th, 2018, 3 people died connected to the storm. If this increased to 80 kilometers per hour, you must stay indoors and go to shelter. Goodbye.